Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download the R.A.C.E game or how to download and install the R.A.C.E game to your Android TV and play the game with a PS4. So I'm showing you how to download the Rocket Arena Car Extreme game to your Android TV and also how to play the game with a PS4 controller. So this is my PS4 controller that I'm going to be using to show you everything in this video. So make sure to watch the video right up to the end. And also, if you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. And also, if you send me a super thanks, I am going to be grateful to you. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because one of my subscribers asked me to do the video for them, and that just brings me to this. If you have a particular video app you want to be installed on your Android TV and you want me to create a video on it, then just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to take out my time and create that particular video specifically for you, just the way I am creating this for one of my subscribers. So that's it. Let's get started. Now here's my Android TV. I want to start by saying that for you to use a PS4 controller, let me just show it again. This is my PS4 controller. For you to use a PS4 controller on your Android TV, you need to have Bluetooth on your Android TV. If you do not have Bluetooth on your Android TV, you wouldn't be able to connect your Android TV to your PS4 controller. So please note that before we go ahead. Now for me to install the application is quite simple. I go over to my browser. I always use my Chrome browser, which is this, as you can see on my screen right here. Now I go over here. I just want to start by saying that this is not going to work on a smart TV, please. If you have a smart TV that has its own operating system like Samsung or Tizen or whatever operating system, this might not work. But if you have a TV that has an Android operating system like this, then this should work okay, as long as it is an Android TV and it has Bluetooth. So what you have to do once you go over here, we have to start by installing the game. Just go over here and type in R.A.C.E or R.A.C.E game, or you can type in a full name, which is Rocket Arena Car Extreme, and here's the application here. Just click on this and you're going to get the result like this. So this is the game we're looking for, R.A.C.E. Now once you go over here, just browse down a little bit and you're going to see the option that allows you to install the game to your Android TV. So here's the option over here, Rocket Arena Car Extreme. So as you can see, if you go over here, you'll be able to install the application to your Android TV just from the browser without using Google Play Store application. I do not have the Google Play Store application on my Android TV, but I can go ahead and use the web version. So as you can see, the application is already installed to my Android TV. The reason I already installed it before creating this video is because the application is very heavy. It's about 200 megabytes, and if I do it on this video, I might take a lot of time just waiting for the application to install. So as you go over here, you're going to get the install button. So you go ahead and install the application to your Android TV. So once the application is installed, all you have to do is to return home. Please, you're going to see the install button here and you install it to your Android TV. Once it's installed, you return home. Now the next thing we need to do is connecting our Android TV to the PS4, and I'm going to show you what to do. Now this is my PS4. Let me show you what to do over here. So this is my PS4 again. I see there's the share button over here. So what you do on your Android TV, go over to your Bluetooth options and click on Bluetooth. So I'm going to go over to my Bluetooth options on my Android TV and I'll click on pair new device. Now once you do that on your PS4, come over to this share button here and click it for long. Just click it for a second until you see these lights over here on your PS4. Once you do that, you are going to see a PS4 show on your Android TV, and all you have to do is just come over here, click on it and you connect, and it's going to connect to your PS4. Please, you click on this share button on your PS4. Now it's connected and you're going to see a light like this. So as you see a light like this, it could be blue or it could be red, then the PS4 is connected. So that's how to connect PS4 on your Android TV with Bluetooth. So that is very easy to do. Once it's connected, now you can return home and you're good to go and play the game with your PS4. Remember, my PS4 is connected. Once you see this light on PS4, then it is connected. If you don't see the light, then it is not connected. So once that is done, what you have to do now is go over to the app, or the app that the R.A.C.E game that we installed. Here's it over here. What you do, just go ahead and launch it. So this is a game. You launch it on my Android TV, and once I launch it, this is how it should look like, or this is how it looks like once you launch it. R.A.C.E 3 or R.A.C.E 3. So please follow attentively. Now just wait for the game to open, and this is how I launch. I'll reduce the volume. I can increase the volume, and you hear, but I don't want the soundtrack to distract the video. So here is it, and you can see that on this I can, you see, it shows me, says I've clicked once on my control, and then it comes within my control on my screen over here, and it shows me over the various keys on my control and how they work. So you see which one is to go, which one is to go down, all the various keys on my control for. Now this, I think this is an Xbox controller. This is showing me because the controller is connected to my Android TV, and this game allows me to play with my controller. So if I move my controller, you're going to see is there a cursor on the game that is moving. I'm moving this to my controller. Let me just try if I can show you on screen here. So this is my controller again. This is my controller, and if I move it, so this is my controller over here. And if I move the button here, you see there will be a cursor on the screen moving. That's the cursor there. I don't know if you could see, yes. So I'm moving that with my controller. So for instance, if I want to use my controller to say I've understood this, so what I'll do, I'll move down the cursor to this point that says got it. So there's always a challenge moving the controller with this. So I'm going to bring the controller down here, got it, and then I'll press on X. X is for OK on my controller. So here's it over here, X. I'll press on X, and then it is OK. So I can go ahead now and play a game. So for instance, if I want to play career mode, what I'll do, I'll come over to, where's the cursor again? So I'll go over to career mode with my cursor. Here is it. Use my cursor, and I'll click OK, and then it'll move on to my career mode. So I can play career 1 with my cursor. I just click OK. So I already played it, but I can still continue playing it. I can just click on it once, and then I'll click come down here, and I'll take restart. I can just click square to start, because you see this is the square button, which is for OK. Here I can also press the square to go to the next game, or I can just, if it doesn't work, I can just bring down my cursor downward to next button, and I click on X with my cursor, and I click raise with my cursor with X. So the game starts here. As you can see on my screen right now, it says finish in 59 seconds. That's the instruction for this game. So just wait for it to load, and then we can go ahead and play. So here's the game. Now it is loading. I can play with my controller. So here's it, 3, 2, 1, go. And I'll be able to control the game with my controller. So you can see the various options. Square is to flee. I can control, and that's how to play the game with my controller. So I'm just focused on the video that I'm okay. To return, you just have to drag this. When you come out here, you see all the various instructions that you can do. Now I just want to start by saying that the graphics of the games might not be good on your TV, depending on the version of your TV. As you can see, they are not that good on my TV, or it is not that smooth on my TV. So that is a problem of the TV. So if you have a good Android TV, or an updated Android TV with a good graphic card, then the game is going to be very smooth on your Android TV. So this is how to install the game on your Android TV and how to play it using a PS4 controller. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, please, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. And before I forget, if you have something you want me to create a video on, please just drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to do that for you. So this is how to play the race game with my PS4 controller on my Android TV.